Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to do some cooking today. I've got two recipes, Spanish rice in the Instant Pot, and we're going to do quesadillas out on the Blackstone. Okay, so I'm going to start by getting some green bell pepper and some onion chopped up. And I know I have done a video for Spanish rice before, but I felt like I could do a better video, so that's what we're doing. Some people call this something other than Spanish rice. I've always known it as Spanish rice, so that's what I'm gonna call it. Or you can call it whatever you want. Mexican rice, red rice, whatever you want to call it. I call it Spanish rice, so that's what we're gonna go with. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is get some lard melting in my Instant Pot. I'm going to put this on saute. Now I really like to use lard because I feel like it adds a lot of flavor. I'll take about that much, I don't know, a tablespoon or so, and get it melting in there. When the lard has melted, add 2 cups jasmine rice and saute until lightly browned. And while that rice is sauteing, I'm going to get the liquids ready. I have 2 1/4 cups water, 2 pinches of oregano, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. By the way, you can find the full written recipe in the description bar below. A teaspoon of salt, and a heaping teaspoon of garlic. Okay, so we'll set that aside. This recipe is so easy. I love doing it in the Instant Pot. I used to do it in a skillet. I had a stainless steel skillet with a tight fitting lid, and it came out perfect every time, but after I got my little Instant Pot, I just use this all the time. It's much easier. All I have to do is hit a button and it does its thing. Comes out perfect. So you just want to get it slightly browned. A light golden brown is what you're looking for. Now that my rice is just how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and add my green peppers and onions. And I want to saute them until they're soft, just about 5 minutes. By the way, I use the Instant Pot all the time. I have 2. I have a big one and I have this little baby one. This is a 3-quart. And my big one is a 6-quart. I use them all the time, especially when it's hot out like it is right now. The South is so hot right now that we like to cook outside or in the Instant Pot because it doesn't heat the RV up. So next I'm gonna pour the liquid. Actually, first I'm gonna hit cancel. We don't want this still sauteing. And now we're just gonna add the liquid. Nice and slow because it's gonna steam up and it might splatter, so don't get too crazy. And then I just give it a stir and make sure all the pieces of rice are pushed down into the liquid. And then the lid. And then I turn this to sealing. And my favorite part, because this is so easy, I literally just hit the rice button and it does its own thing. If I have more rice in there, sometimes it'll be like 12 minutes, but this one is gonna take 10, so. This Spanish rice comes out perfect every single time, full of flavor and perfectly cooked. If you plan on trying this recipe, leave me a taco or burrito emoji in the comments. For the quesadillas, I'm using some leftover elk Mississippi pot roast that I cooked in the Instant Pot. I like to add a little tahini for some extra flavor and then chop it up. The next section of this video is a little ASMR cooking for your listening and viewing pleasure. Enjoy! Now for the dipping sauce. I'm almost out of sour cream, so I'm just gonna make it right in this container. And also Daisy, because is there any other sour cream? I have about half a cup of sour cream that I'm gonna add some taco sauce to. I found this Herdez Red Street taco sauce at Walmart and it is so good. But you can use any taco sauce you like. Add as much as you want. I think I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add some homemade chipotle seasoning. It's so easy to make. I'll leave a link in the description on how to make it. It's just crushed up smoked jalapenos. I love this dipping sauce. It's so easy to make. It's really good. I like to put it on taco salad as the salad dressing, but you can use it on all kinds of things. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed, and I'll see you next time.